If you're looking to elevate your skills and enhance your operations, there's no better place to turn than the Sungold Group, led by the esteemed Jason Pintel. Here's why. Expert training. Jason Pintel is renowned for his in-depth knowledge and hands-on experience. His training sessions are meticulously designed to equip you with practical skills that you can immediately apply in your work. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, you'll find his training invaluable. Top quality equipment. The Sungold Group is dedicated to providing only the highest quality equipment. Investing in reliable and efficient tools not only boosts your productivity, but also ensures your safety and the longevity of your operations. Personalized approach. Jason and his team understand that each business has unique needs. They offer tailored solutions and personalized training sessions to ensure that you get the most out of your investment. This bespoke approach guarantees that you receive the support and resources you need to thrive. Innovative solutions. Staying ahead in today's competitive landscape requires innovation. The Sungold Group constantly updates its offerings with the latest advancements in technology and best practices, ensuring that you remain at the forefront of your industry. Proven success. Many have already benefited from Jason Pintel's expertise and the Sungold Group's exceptional equipment. Their success stories stand as a testament to the effectiveness of their training programs and the quality of their products. Choosing the Sungold Group and Jason Pintel means choosing excellence. Don't miss the opportunity to advance your skills and enhance your operations with the best in the business.